Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your business to six figures and beyond. Oh, hello, hello, hello. So this is how I was able to make 10K per week. LinkedIn, yes, with government contracts. I actually went on the LinkedIn, didn't have a premium or anything like that, but this is what I did. Once I went onto LinkedIn, you can do two things, which I love. One, you can build a personal page, which can put in all of your previous business experience, where you went to school, where people can connect because you may have gone to the same school they've gone to. So that is all about the networking. Number two, you can put in anyone that's looking to endorse you. That's also in LinkedIn. And number three, the thing I like the best is LinkedIn is the number one place where so many government agencies, buyers, networking, relationships, actually are formed. More than any other social platform is LinkedIn. So this is a couple of things that I would suggest that you do so that you can build your LinkedIn page and attract government buyers. The first thing I want you to do is look at a couple of examples. Go ahead and visit a couple of people in LinkedIn. Just kind of look at how their layout is, their banner, everything that is, let's say someone is in your industry and you can go in to do the filter by the industry, by individuals. So first, get familiar with LinkedIn if you're not. Number two, then I want you to actually make sure your banner looks nice, attractive, have something that's inviting. So your banner is really important. Number three, take your time when it comes to writing down all of the information, any past position that you have, which is all about past performances. Individuals can look at that just on a glance. So how I was able to make the 10K was that I had an old person that I knew in the military that reached out to me, and she was actually a contracting officer. I had no idea, because at that time we had lost, touch with each other, and I had no idea that she would even find me, and she found me on LinkedIn. She just have to be looking at it and saw me. But because I put certain things on my LinkedIn, that is what actually drew her to me. So one, I made sure I had a banner that was attractive. Number two, I made sure I wrote down all my previous performances, my experience, and then I had made sure people endorsed what I said that I was able to do. I was able to put in, information about any groups, and that's the fourth thing. I started joining, looking at groups that were contracting officer groups or something that was in my industry that connected me, because LinkedIn is all about networking. And then the other thing I love about LinkedIn, you ready? You're actually able to put up a professional page. Yes! All of this at no cost. You can put up a business page on LinkedIn where you're putting in all the information about your business. And then you're able to personalize your URL. Isn't that great? This is all at no cost. So if you're not on LinkedIn, remember, you're going to put in about yourself, and then underneath, it's sort of like a resume. You're going to have the first page is going to be, or the first top part is going to be about you. And then further down, you're going to put in from now to, whenever you got started with your business, when you worked, let's say you've got past performance in an industry under another company, but you want to merge it with yours. So if I worked for, let's say I'm a CPA, and I worked for a company, an accounting firm where I got a lot of experience. And then from there, I opened my own business, and I wanted to actually win government contracts under what I worked under another company. So I'm going to put my actual information from when I started my business, and then I'm going to put that past performance. And then I'm going to reach out to see if I can find someone that worked for me, worked with me, and any projects I worked on, and endorse that I actually have that expertise in that area. So that's going to be my personal page. And then I'm going to do a business page that's going to highlight my business, the current business that I have. So it allows me to do both. Actually, a lot of things. Do networking. People are able to find you. I can do groups. I can set up a group, or I can actually join a group. I can look at connecting with individuals that I lost touch with. And I'm able to showcase all of my talents on my personal and my business page, and I'm able to do a professional page with a URL. Doesn't get any better than that. Because I did that, this particular contracting officer was able to reach out to me and did one of my favorite things. She was able to vet me, and then I actually signed up for working with her doing training and was able to make 10K a week, which turned into a lot more. So do not let that opportunity go by when it comes to LinkedIn. Get busy. Make sure you put that on your to-do list. That's something I want you to do right now. I love to give you actionable items that you can implement. I had so many students and clients, not just me, but other students and clients that said they were actually found on LinkedIn. So it is actively working right now for 2023. So get busy. I'd love to see you on there. And if you find me, make sure you connect with me as well. Take care. And I look forward to seeing you again really soon. And if you want to learn more about government contracts, how to sell to the government, middleman, and disaster relief, those are the three things I really, really love to share with you. They're the easiest ways to actually win your first or one of many contracts. I had a young lady that was on the last free masterclass that actually won 10 contracts. That's right. And she shared all the information. So you never know. You can do networking. You can meet a lot of individuals on the free actual masterclass. I'd love to see you. So make sure that you click the link, sign up and register. It's going to be very, very, very something that I think you can implement, very informative. Hopefully, my goal is to give you an actionable item, if not one, several that you can implement as soon as you get out of the masterclass. So I'd love to see you there. Make sure you click the link to actually register. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.